Yes. Okay, so what do we do? Oh, this is my favorite. What is it? My favorite lipstick. I don't know.
But you have like, we use this color and you just quickly like put the brush.
We're gonna make Kay do it.
Yeah, making K.
Where's it getting small?
Fixing my hair.
Oh, we should do a hair tutorial.
Oh, so if you want to do the
messy bun?
because I don't like brushing my hair.
There's several ways to do it. So you can either like not wash your hair for 10 days. Like
No, go to the gym 5 times a week. Barely wash your hair, and then
high bun
with
with a just a tie like a.
and then you go like that,
I think I need
and then
eyelashes.
you go like that.
You just
Let
let
me
it
show
out,
you
and
guys.
you can just
Okay, go.
bobby pin it.
Let me show you
What are
guys
you doing?
how to put on some eyelashes. Cause
No,
good
go,
at that
go,
one.
go, go.
I kind of need some. I kind of need some. So the trick to put on eyelashes without using fake eyelids is you take. Oh, hold on. You take.
I don't want
You
to take
take this. Now this is just the Maybelline. You don't even need to use MAC or whatever. And to make it thick is you go like this.
Oh shit!
We're changing this.
Oh shit!
See, do you see the difference between this eye and this eye? This one doesn't have any yet, but look closely.
Why are you spasm? You're having a spasm.
Oh shit!
You're gonna poke yourself.
Did you see that voice?
Come on. Keep going, keep going.
Oh my god!
This is really old, but it's lasted me about 10 years.
Oh shit, that's hella old. The hella Kinderline. Oh no.
It doesn't work a lot,
2 or 3
but
years ago.
if you spit in it, it'll work again.
Don't ever borrow her eyeshadow.
And all you need is the... See how my eyelashes look? And you don't put it in the top, you put it in the bottom this time.
What are you doing?
Eyeshadow on the bottom.
Okay.
Oh, lipstick. Onto lipstick.
Hey, it's not my turn, come on.
I can't do it. I'm not good at it.
I'm not good at
I'm good at laughing.
This is after 3 days of no washing.
Hi, bun.
Hi, but what are you
It
doing?
works better.
Oh shit.
Wow.
You can see all the details.
Look, now we all match. Come on, Belle.
You just kind of like shake
We
it
all
out.
match. We all match.
Hi, bun. After.
We have the high bun.
Rest in peace, Amy Winehouse.
I'm not doing this anymore.
This is rest in peace, Amy Winehouse.
Not Amy Winehouse. No, Amy Winehouse.
You want Amy Winehouse eyeliner?
What is this right here?
What is this?
Oh, Amy Winehouse. Come here, let me put Amy Winehouse on your
Eyeliner.
eyes.
No, hell no! Oh my god, you're gonna look like a witch right now.
Okay, let me do it.
Okay, yeah, you do it on yourself.
Okay.
Okay, go.
What do you do first?
So your eyelashes are on. So what you do is you just
You're
kind
not
of
supposed to pull your eye back. It causes wrinkles.
Oh. Well, anyways, you just kind of just go like that. Just go along with it.
Oh my god.
And you just go along with it. So,
You look like a geisha now.
and then you just kind of go like this.
Small movements. Small movements.
Now tell me that doesn't look like Amy Winehouse.
You have to fill it in though now.
Oh.
Your daughter's watching.
Just
now.
fill it in. Fill it in.
You just kind of make a V shape, like an Eiffel Tower. Yeah.
Grandma's
Oh, it's like four.
looking crazy wallet.
I don't know.
Sorry, sorry.
Keep on going. See how that is?
Yeah, I want one.
Make
You
me
fill it
first.
in. You fill in the corners, the triangle.
Oh, and then It's okay.
It is the same.
Oh, it's pretty.
Look at
look at
I made
everybody.
different.
Ooh,
I made it the same way as I made
that's
it.
way better than my eyeliner.
It took me like 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. It's like even 1 pound.
Yeah, see? Yeah! That's what
exactly
I'm going for. Yeah, high
Looks
five.
good, right? Looks
We're doing
good.
tutorial. We're doing it.
Come on.
Are you guys serious?
Yes.
Yeah, a swoop.
Damn.
You know, I did the vibrating. You know how people buy
The vibrating mascara brushes?
Yeah.
No need.
You don't need it. You don't
look
need
at,
it.
look at etiquette. Like, you don't need
You don't.
vibrating.
You don't need a vibrating.
Look what?
You
Just
just
like
like
this.
this.
Oh my god.
And make sure you do this.
And you open your mouth wide.
Oh my god.
You want me to try it on you, Leo?
No, I
Um,
wanted to see who your eyes.
I'm a little